y'all.
Hey all, Mandy here again. Motivational Monday, Motivational Monday, Motivational Monday, Motivational Monday. This Monday, be physical, people. Be physical. Yeah, nowadays we live such a sedentary lifestyle. Think about it. 9 out of 10 of your friends probably work in an office and sit at a desk all day long. People think that getting out there and being physical is such a hard thing to do. But no, people, it's not. For some reason, as we get older, you see people being less and less physical. Be physical, people. That's the key. That's the key to staying happy and fit and young and just embracing life is get out there and be physical. Don't sit down all day. Don't sit on the couch. Make sure that you get out there and you're active. Yeah, be physical, people. You'll be happy. You'll be healthy. You'll just sail through life and it'll be wonderful. Because that's what Motivational Monday is all about. Starting your week off strong. Yeah! And tune back in for more from the world according to Mandy. Yeah!